Dozens of weapons seized in the East Bay. How layers of law enforcement are teaming up for safer streets. Thanks for joining us this Thursday. They are calling it Operation Disarm, a 90-day collaboration between federal, state, and local law enforcement to arrest 51 people on gun charges. Our Da Lin, live for us in Oakland, where in just the past hour, they announced the arrests. Da, what do we know about this operation?
Yeah, and Operation Disarm involved a number of agencies. We're talking about the U.S. Attorney's Office, the ATF, the FBI, the CHP, and the Oakland Police Department. Now, they say from March to July, they arrested 51 people and charged them with a number of federal criminal offenses. Law enforcement officials say they also seized 76 illegal possessed firearms. They were able to solve many cases that happened in Oakland, including the downtown Oakland nightclub shooting back in March of this year. That mass shooting injured 5 people and killed 2 people, including school teacher Miss Letitia Bobo. They say she was an innocent customer at the club at the time, running for safety when she was shot. They arrested a 40-year-old suspect, Jarvis Tucson, in that case. Here's what the U.S. Attorney said about the people arrested in Operation Disarm.
We charged 51 individuals. 50 of those 51 had prior felony convictions and sometimes multiple felony convictions. Of the 51, 29 of those people had 71 prior gun convictions between them. 26 of those charged were on probation, parole, or federal supervised release at the time of the offense. 27 had prior violent felony convictions. 10 had prior domestic violence convictions. And of those charged, more than half are believed to be members of gangs.
Yeah, if you don't remember the numbers, that's okay. His point is that the people arrested are very bad and violent people with lengthy rap sheets. Now, law enforcement officials believe Oakland will be safer because of these arrests. Now, Oakland police say they appreciate the reinforcement and this partnership, especially while they're facing severe staffing challenges. Now, federal and state officials say after this operation, they're not out of here. They will continue to support Oakland to make sure the city remains safe. For now, live here in downtown Oakland, I'll send it back to you, Ann.
All right, Da Lin, thanks for that report.